Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout, play along with Mercy Tiara kits, and I'm using the Summer Vibes kit, which is the July 2023 kit. I've got the main kit, I have the pattern paper kit, embellishment kit, and cardstock kit. So I have all of the things, but I really want to concentrate on this piece of paper right here from Pink Fresh Studio, Sunshine on My Mind, Golden Hour. I love this color palette. It is gorgeous. I don't even know what I want to do yet. I just know I want to use it. And I might be using this Surfs Up piece from Basil and a bit of this one right here. Oh, it's a flip side. No wonder I love it so much. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the branding strip from this one, and I'm going to cut up a bunch of the pieces from this cut apart sheet so I can kind of figure out what I want to do. I also think I want to bring in a few strips of that blue and white kind of tile vibe. I don't want to use the whole thing. I think I want 3 strips, and I think I'm going to tear them. I don't even know what I'm doing yet. Kind of working on it as I go. So I just was thinking, like, if I go ahead and tear just down, right? Like 3 skinny strips. I don't, like, literally don't have a good plan yet. Oh, that's not tearing well. Yikes. Kind of like this. I'll get that bit off. I have that, and I'll do 2 more. And then I just want them kind of scuffed up and bent up a little bit. We don't need to see all of that, but I do like the idea that we might see a little bit of color just kind of here and there from it. That's what I have so far. So I've been working on this, and I cut out all of these pieces and I made my strips. Nothing is tacked down. And I also really love the idea of bringing in this Cardabella piece. It's from Happy Crafting, called Crafting Scissors. So I think I'll go ahead and mat that, scuff up the edges of this nice Swiss dot. And I have to somehow get all of these pieces popped down in place. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to happen, but it's going to happen. I'm clearly going to need lots of craft foam, and it's going to be super fun. So I'm going to get these pieces down, and then I'm just going to decorate around it. This was just totally me having fun with the pieces that help tell this story. And the story pretty much is that my son and his girlfriend were down in the Austin area having themselves a little holiday. All right, so I have all of the pieces tucked down, and they're super fun. And I think what I'm going to do next is grab these Pink Fresh Studio florals and see where they may want to go. And if you're wondering what I decided to do to pop all of these pieces up, I just had to do double layers of my foam tape. So not hard at all, but I was wondering how that was going to go. So I don't know. Did not know. Ooh, this bright, bright yellow is pretty fun. Do I want more of the... Yes, I'd like all of those gorgeous leafy bits to stick up. So I thought that would be fun to get some of the florals in. Then I'll go in with these little bits, like this Vacay mode. I was thinking might be cute to pop that up for my title, or to use it as my title. And I can just do like summer Vacay mode for that. So that's all. Just kind of beefing this up and just adding all of the things. That's where we are now, just the fun bits. So I think I'd like a 3rd floral cluster right down here. So let's see. We've got pink maybe? I feel like I need a bigger one though, because it's so, I have these 2 pieces here. This might be pretty. I mean, the flower is kind of going in a wonky direction. What about... No, that's not working. Oh, I need something. Okay. This is pretty. Ooh, this one's nice. Although, guys, why is it's not even hard, and I'm over complicating the whole thing. Okay. I knew this one was good. I just need to pop another one with it. That's all. Do we like this deep, deep yellow? I'm thinking maybe on top. That's good. Guys, I could use 30 packs of these gorgeous, gorgeous florals. my jam. So I have one on top there, one, and I'm looking for a small one to put on top on the last one. It doesn't have to be tiny, but I was looking. Maybe I'll go ahead and find a puppy. Anywho, so this is what I'm doing. I'm stack. I'm gonna play a little bit and I'll come right back. So y'all, this layout has come together easy peasy. The last couple things I'm gonna do is put one of these drinky containers in my 3 main clusters. I know I have a 4th thing here. I don't know, I'm pretending I have 3 clusters. And then a few sequins here and there, and this thing will be done. It's like, these pattern papers are just doing the whole thing for me, and I love it. I'm just doing like a cute little tuck, and you know, if I have to, I'll use a little adhesive. Either way, this was almost tone on tone. Cute. The reason why I'm going in with Drinky Poos is that's a big thing in Austin. They're just going hanging out, doing all of the things, going out for drinks with people, and it's fab. Okay, I'm gonna get a little liquid adhesive so that these stay down, a few sequins, and then I will show you my finished layout. Just want to get a few sequins in the clusters, that's all. All right, y'all, that is my finished layout. Just put a few little sequin clusters in. I've got some nice dimension with papers being folded up. I love when you can see the other color of paper peeking through. And although it was a cut apart sheet on the other side, I mean, and there's a little bit of text, it really doesn't read that way. It just reads that something is fun hanging out under there. So that's what I have for you guys today. Like my little floral clusters, everybody scored a puffy and some sequins, and it is fab. I will have links down below for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club and the Facebook group, the Kit Club website and the Facebook group. And you can grab your kit and all your goodies, come to the Facebook group, show us what you're creating, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Oh, and I'll have some still shots to follow. Thanks so much for watching, y'all.